So, ayan, a bit of a time check. A bit of a time check. It's already 6:40 p.m. Nakapag-pack na ako, nakaligo na ako, and all I have to do is put some makeup on para hindi kita yung blemishes natin sa mukha. And also, kailangan namin umalis para i-pick si tita ko. So, yung kasama ko sa trip ko is yung tita ko. And then, after kung mag-prepare, alis na kami, going to Makati para i-pick up yung tita ko. And then, after that, punta na kami ng airport. And then, yun lang, I'm just gonna have to put something on my face para hindi nila makita yung kapangitan natin. Okay. I'll take it later. So, hi guys. I am back. So, I'm not sure what time is it, pero I'm done with my face and my makeup. So, do I look better now than kanina? I guess, I'm not sure. So, I just put some eyeshadow and mascara, tapos lip tint, and then just some foundation, I guess, better than kanina, kasi kanina, I look so dull. No, I look like Chaka dull. Char.
Ano yan? A video. Hello!
Here. We have the ticket. Nakapunta na kami. Labas kami ng immigration. And then, waiting na lang kami sa ang tawag dito?
Entry.
Sa entry. Okay. Yung flight. Grabe yung flight mo. So, ayan. Update ulit.
Later.
Time check. Ano tayo?
Time check, 9:56.
Sa airport na kami, immigration, nagkita kami. Bayad pa yung travel tax namin. Sige po. Yes. So, waiting na lang kami sa flight namin. It's what time?
Time check, 12:04.
Time check. Ay, outfit check. Outfit check. Hindi ko na kinaya yung Ramiki Airport pala. Ayan, nag-jacket na ako, baby. Iwan ko siya. Ay, suot ko na yung jacket mo. Ay, check mo sa kita. Suot ko na yung jacket mo. Kasi ito nila, nahanap niya yung balabal niya. Nawawala. Guys, time check. Ayan, go! 8:39 a.m. here in Seoul, South Korea. Incheon, South Korea. And we're going out na po to para habulin yung transfer namin kasi supposedly kanina pa siyang 6 and it's 8:40 na, so super late na as in. So we're not sure kung available pa ba yung transfer namin dahil na-delay yung flight. It's not our problem. It's the flight's problem, I guess. So, we'll go. Bye, guys. See you later. Ate Millet 1. Ay, hindi. Incheon Airport 1, Ate Millet 0.
Talagang
So, hindi gumagana yung airport transfer namin. So, andito kami na. Ayan. Hindi gumagana yung airport transfer namin, guys. So, kailangan namin maghanap ng bilihan ng ticket. Ay, money going to Seoul. Bye. Go on, baby. Update, we got our money We got it
Saan pa
charged. Mag-a-RX kami now dahil yung transfer namin supposedly is wala. So, hindi makontak. So, we're gonna go with the local way. Very local, very cutesy. The card is very cutesy.
Babe, di ba may nervous?
Bye, guys.
In cars number 2 to number 5, please do not
We're
use
currently at
between
RX
seats or
going
in
to
front
Seoul
of for
Station.
the convenience of other passengers.
We're going local. And it's in the market in Manila. And I'm with my tita. We're gonna be there probably in 45 minutes. Guys, hi. We're at the hotel na. Actually, dumating kami dito mga mag-4. And then, nag-check-in kami. Diretso tulog. Sobrang nakakapagod po yung nangyari. And then, time check. Ano oras na ba? 7:43. Double checking ng time. 7:43. So, 7:43, we're gonna go out and papunta kami sa night market ng Myeongdong para tumingin ng mga pasalubong na and mag-dinner na din there. Ayun. So, kanina pala, pagkadating namin dito, nag-iwan lang kami ng luggage sa hotel and then pinapayagan naman nila yon. And then, nag-lunch kami sa GS25. May mga doshirak doon. Yung doshirak na nakuha namin is, wala akong video, sorry. So, yung doshirak na nakuha namin doon is worth 6,700 won, which is a good price. Considering na gutom na kami at yun lang yung malapit na kainan. Ayan. And then also, na-try na din namin magsuot ng hanbok and also nagpunta kami ng Gwanghwamun Palace. So, nagpicture-picture lang kami ng konti. Sobrang dami ng tao. So, ayun. Labas lang kami ngayon to shopping. And also, para bumili ng dinner namin.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Okay guys, quick update. Kadadating lang po namin and it's, what time is it? It's 11 already. Nakagaling na po kami sa Myeongdong. Bumili kami ng mga gamit. And then, look what I bought. It's super cute. Super cute! So, it's a hanbok. Hanbok. It's hanbok for the babies. For our babies. Siyempre. And then, I actually bought a soda dahil I feel like sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko, guys. Like, solid yung sakit ng ulo ko. Kailangan ko dumighay. Hindi ko pa mainom. Solid. Wait. I-refill ko lang for you. Guys. Solid. So now, kauwi lang namin galing Myeongdong, diba? Kumain kami doon. Kumain kami ng kimbap, hotok, bongopang. Ayun lang. Ayun, tatlong yon. But we're still hungry. And bababa kami ngayon to buy some food sa GS25. Kasi guys, sulitin na natin habang nandito pa kami. GS25, let's go! Guys, quick update. I will challenge myself, hindi ako magjajacket, ito lang suot ko.
Good luck.
Join us. Pagpunta sa GS25, without the puff jacket, dahil naiinitan ako, to be honest.
Nasa lang.
Wait lang pala. Kaya-
Ano ka pa? Live ka pa?
Kailangan ko munang mag-shoes. I'll be back pag nasa labas na kami. Yan lang suot ko, oh. Baba, and the square pants. 24 hours ko na siyang suot, to be honest. We're currently going down. Papunta ng GS25. Di ako pwedeng masyadong maingay. Kasi baka pakinig tayo inside of the rooms. So, yan lang yung suot namin. And then, let's see kung kakayanin ko. Guys, update. We're out.
And we can
Conquer the coldness.
conquer you.
With the sweatshirt. And, sana hindi ko pagsisiyan. We're gonna get something.
We can walk for
We can get something lang. We will get something lang sa just 25, guys. So, that's our hotel. And then, ito lang yung just 25. Lapit lang, diba? So, just gonna get some food. Sampo kayo, guys. Loki lang tayo.
dito na lang tayo.
Loki lang tayo. Eh, my drink is there.
There. Wala tayong
Pwede natin i-microwave. Then, we're gonna bring it up. O, gusto mo, dito natin kainin.
Dito na nga. Kasi mangangamoy pa eh.
Okay.
Tapos we can buy something for tomorrow.
What do you want? I actually don't know what to get. So I'm not sure what to get, actually. They're all new to my eyes. What should we get?
Basta pa.
Pwede natin painitin.
Para may
Mapupuno yung phone ko bago kami makapag-decide kung ano yung bibili namin. Do you want that? I don't want that.
Yun.
Oh, you buy.
Cheese something.
Oh, you buy what you want. I'll get what I want.
Me, what do you want? Nag-refill na sila.
Hmm?
They did refill it. 11. Ako open ka pa. Puno na yung
Pagod
bato.
ako.
No, not
Ayoko
yet.
na.
What time is it?
It's 11.
Time check.
12.
It's 11:50.
I wanna sleep.
Let's go home now.
Yes. Guys, kinain naman yung init. Ay, yung lamig.
Kaya naman.
Duh.
Tomorrow
After
is
ko
another
kumain, wala na. I'm dead.
Let's go.
I wanna sleep. Ligo-ligo, no. No ligo-ligo. We go sleep. 안녕하세요. We're gonna go up. We need to go up. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Let's go. Let's go.
Join.
Nahilo. We're going down the steep mountain with my coffee. Na ice cream. I'm gonna go. Oh, it's the Philippines. Philippines at Nandwachita. We're going there. Going there. California. I'm going there. I'm tired. I'm fucking tired now. Let's go. Give me the pillow. Yeah, go for it. Ganda naman ng mukha ko dito. It's a natural blush. Actually. Pak na pak yung natural blush natin dito, ate girl.
I don't know English. Rice tree. Rice tree.
Thai, it's rich people. Yes, humble people. Opposite side, there's a fireplace. You put fire and the room is warm.
Walking inside the shooting area here in Yongin, and I'm seeing what I don't like to see. There are stairs. There are high stairs, and it's probably like 20 steps, 20 to 30 steps, I guess, or 50. I need to conquer this one. Seeing me, we go up on the stairs.
This place is the highest place in the village. So you can look down this area and the
Ay,
photo
come
is
chicken.
very wonderful. Yes.
Oh, wow. I'll show you the place. Ta-da!
Every day I walk a lot. That's why I look young. Sorry, I told you a lie. Yeah. Please exercise. Okay.
There's still one. Going up the stairs.
Do you know the drama Moon, Embracing the Sun? Yes, the cafe name is Moon, Embracing the Sun. Please, yes, this place is nice. Come here. Yes, come here.
So here.
Come here. This is Korean, not Republic of Korea, Joseon Dynasty or Goryeo Dynasty. Our atmosphere is like that.
I'm tired. This is the place. Show you the place.
Come here, Melissa. Come here.
There's a view.
I will give you 10 minutes free time. Please, if you want coffee or some breakfast with the bread here. And the left side is drama, history drama.
Picture mo ko dito.
Left room is showed
against the light.
history of Korean drama. Yes. And the front area, there is a temple. The temple is actually replica temple. So I will give you 10 minutes and then we'll leave here. Okay? Okay. If you want to copy, yes, nearby, yeah, drama set and temple. I will give you 10 minutes.
Okay.
In 10 minutes, we'll leave here.
One, two, three. Ako din. Gonna take a photo. Gawin mo 0.5. Para hindi ako mukhang ano. Tapos, tayo na. Sorry.
What is the first place?
Which one? Traditional market.
Yeah.
So we're running in Hangan Han River. It's me. It's so cold, guys. It's really, really so cold right now. This is Subway. I'm against the Lord. No, just me and myself and I. This and that. And we go there. There we go. Napakagaling. Oh, sorry.